Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And if I understand the young lady right, she doesn't want this. Well, first of all, that's the bitmap evidently, and she's got a good clean, she calls it transparent vector art, but it's, if we take a yellow box, turn it yellow, go up to object, group, order, back a page, it is transparent, and maybe that's what she means, that you can see through it. So, and one, I don't know if you want to keep that or not. You can very easily get rid of that cartoon. But what's happening when they put it, when she puts it in here, you can see the flag. So what we need to do is find out how big this is less than an inch or 2 inches. So we need to make our nudge factor 2.5. We're going to take the man and we're going to move him down. And first thing you can try is to make a rectangle, take the Smart Fill tool, and you see that it's going to leak. So we can't really do anything with that. But we're going to take this, let me get rid of the rectangle for a second. We're going to make a copy of it as I always do. We're going to take the original and I'm going to left click, right click. And then I have hairlines and I need to change the drawing just a little bit. So I'm going to take the shape tool and I'm going to close the gaps like a, whoop. I grabbed 3 nodes, only want those 2. There we go, and just move it over. Trying to keep it pretty close to the same. You don't have to worry about trimming it or anything, but then it's got some other leaks problem. This is going to leak. This won't leak if we cure this bottom one. So we're going to grab those 2 nodes and bring them in. We are changing the picture just a little bit. I think there's one more spot it's going to leak, like right there. So we need to take our shape tool and grab those nodes, try to get it, even keel on all that. I think we're good. And at this time, if you wanted to get rid of that name, you could just hit delete. So now we're going to take a rectangle tool and we're going to use the Smart Fill tool and see we have no leak. So now I'm going to nudge that guy over and I am going to left click, right click, and I am going to take the Smart Fill tool again and I'm going to fill that in. Now I am going to put the man exactly back where he was. This is the same man, and very easily you can still get rid of that. So we need to nudge him back down, and because this is probably all, you can see it's a clip art. So we're going to go to object and group it together. So it'll all be one deal. Then we're going to take the blue man and we're going to go back minus front. And then you can see the outline of the man. I'm going to left click, no outline. So now we have a spot there. We take the yellow box trick, go up to object, order, back a page. You can see that now it's transparent. So we haven't done anything this man. We can nudge him over and up. Hit the wrong key. Nudge him up. And now it looks funny because the man is transparent. She does not, I don't think she wants the white in there. But that way it got rid of the flag. It looks white, but as you can see, it's not. So whatever they're going to put it on. And because, you could actually go further and actually fill that man in with a different color, and because it should not leak now. But I'm thinking this is what she wants, so it doesn't show the stripes. And then of course I could have started out with a man, and that does look pretty good. It's really small, you won't be able to read it anyway. Other than that, it's pretty nice. She did a good job. Anyway, I hope that answered your question, and thank you for watching.